Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in once again. As always, I hope everybody is blessed, healthy, and wealthy. Please like and subscribe to the channel. It is greatly appreciated. Thank you in advance. Alright. In my last video, I brought y'all the Polo waterproof boot. And I got something else that I actually picked up from Polo that came in also, and I want to share that with y'all. So let's get to it. This is what we working with. Alright, so this is like a multicolored Polo rain jacket, right? Real colorful. Let me stand up and give this to y'all. So check it out. So you got the blue, you got the red. Turn it around. You got the green. You got some more red, blue. You got blue, total blue on the inside. Check out the hood. Along the outside of the hood, you got this yellow lining, right? Got the white drawstrings, flavor. Right arm, blue with the 3 on it. All right. The right chest. A lot of colors here, right? Blue, white, black. Got the blue zipper. Right? Dope jacket, dope. The color scheme, fly color scheme. Got your red. Then you got your blue on the zipper again. You got packable right here, which means that you could like fold this up into a little bag and take it on the go. Alright, let's go to the left side. That's what you got. You got PRL, all classic, Polo, Ralph Lauren. Dope, right? Green with the yellow. Once again, you got the blue on the zipper. On this sleeve, you got the green sleeve on the left. And remember, you got the blue sleeve on the right. Alright. So yeah, check out the back again. Got the brighter blue on the back. With the navy blue, or is this black? Got the black on that side. Black on that side. So yeah, this is a dope jacket. Once again, you cannot go wrong when it comes to Polo. When it comes to this, you can't go wrong. Quality. Alright, quality. Alright, so yeah, I wanted to bring y'all that. So this is let me give you the exact name of this jacket in case you want to go cop, which means in case you want to go buy one. Alright, so the price on this one, try to get that focus for you. Alright, so the price on this is $348. $348. It's the price. And I don't believe this jacket is reversible. It's not reversible. Alright. But it is dope though. And I'm definitely satisfied with it. For sure. Alright, so yeah, if you haven't already, go download the Polo app. Go download the Polo app. They got a lot of fly. Go download that Polo app. If you want to get fly, download that Polo app. Quality. Very rarely will you be disappointed with something from Polo. I think the only time you're gonna be disappointed is if you order something that's not your size. You know what I'm saying? That's the only time you're gonna be disappointed, because you gotta send it back and wait for the exchange to arrive. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, fly stuff only. All right, so boom, that's what I wanted to bring y'all. Stay tuned because we got more in the bag, and the bag is deep. All right. So once again, thank you for tuning in. As always, I hope everyone is blessed, healthy, and wealthy. Please like and subscribe to the channel. And love always wins. God bless. Peace.